Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Saturday August the 1st 2020. We have here a only one regular medium Sudoku. There's also a quintuplet and an additional with extra Sudokus, but first we will solve this regular medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1265. Yes, and I always count the printed numbers when I begin. So let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13 14 18 plus 4 is 22 23 plus 3 is 26. So if you compare with with additional with extra Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. How about the number the number 3 in this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. The first one, alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And then in this big square, wait. No. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then yes, in this big square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Then 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the number 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, we have a 6 over there. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 6. Let me try with the other number. How about the number 1? A4 in this column, A4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in this column, A4 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, yes. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then two five nine. How about these 2 numbers in the 3rd column? Those missing numbers are the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the 1st column. So in the 2nd column, the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Number 2. Alright, then how about yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 9, here or there. Yes, I think the 9 should be there, because in this box it cannot be a 9. In this box it cannot be a 9. In that box it cannot be a 9. So the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 5 and 1. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 1. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 2, I believe. Yes. Two numbers left here in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. One number left in this row for the number 1. One number left in this big square for the number 2. One number left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. One number left in this column for the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5. Then two numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 here in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thanks, and yeah, see you next time, probably with the quintuplet. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you, and bye bye.